Hello, friends. This is Dr. Ravinder. Today, I'm going to take you to enjoy a very simple and easy interactive meditation. All those who find meditation a challenging and difficult process, I welcome you all to enjoy this very simple meditation. This meditation allows you to feel your inner connection to the God or the highest power by inviting God into your heart. To practice interactive meditation, find a comfortable pose, sitting or lying, in an environment in which you will not be interrupted or disturbed. It is best to turn off the phone and give yourself 15 minutes to ignore all your responsibilities and turn inwards. It is important to keep your back and neck straight, either in the lying pose or in the sitting pose. Keep your palms facing upwards and fingers not touching each other, either on your side or in your lap. With eyes closed, begin repeating the phrase, "Oh God, my heart is open to you. Please come and sit in my heart. Oh God, my heart is open to you. Please come and sit in my heart. Oh God, my heart is open to you. Please come and sit in my heart." To be specific, you can call upon Krishna, Divine Mother, Allah, Jesus, Vaheguru, Lord Shiva, or the highest energy. Any word that suits to your faith. While repeating the phrase, once on each fingertip, loudly, as you repeat the phrase, once on each fingertip, hold the faint intention to awaken and open the channels of energy in that fingertip. Once you have said the phrase loud 10 times, continue repeating the phrase inside quietly for another few minutes. Continue repeating the phrase inside quietly for another few minutes. In the beginning, as you continue to repeat the phrase, you actually begin to grow neuro connections, the channels to receive the subtle energy will begin to open in your fingertips. Keep fingertips up and not touching one another. If you do not feel the tingling right away, try saying the phrase a few more rounds. In the beginning, it is natural and normal for the mind to wander and have other thoughts. Your mind will wander and think about things that may be bothering you or causing stress. When you keep practicing this meditation, you will reach to a stage where you will start taking and understanding the inner guidance. Thinking might take you to your bills, your duties, your shopping list, what all you have to do, and so on. And whenever it happens, let the thought come and go, come and go. Just direct your mind towards the phrase and awareness to your fingertips. Just direct your mind towards the phrase and awareness to your fingertips. One of the benefits of interactive meditation is new energy to add to your own. In a variety of ways, your experience to meditation will continue to change. After some time, you will be flowing in the consciousness of your true self as it connects to God. When your heart and mind are open and connected to the current of energy, this is the time to create from this ultimate power whatever you want from your life. Feel your openness for good to happen. What do you want to happen? What do you feel happy about? Imagine yourself as happy, loving, peaceful, confident, and successful in all aspects of your life. Be grateful by saying within, in silent voice, I am grateful. Dear God, I am grateful for all that I have. Dear God, I am grateful for all that I have. Let your imagination to your desires reach the highest level. Take your imagination of your desires to the highest level. Take some time in imagination. And now, bring your awareness back into your present time and slowly, counting from 0 to 3, you have to slowly and steadily open your eyes. 0, 1, 2, and 3. Eyes open. Feel refreshed, peaceful, focused. And now again say, thank you, God. Thank you for giving me grace, patience, and the subtle energy. I am truly rejuvenated by having a connection with you. Meditation with this process 2 to 3 times a day makes your mind, body, and heart get in the habit of going within and opening to God's energy. It generally takes 6 weeks of time, of course, a regular practice, to fully open the channels in your fingertips. So, friends, enjoy this simple meditation for some time regularly and create the neuroconnections with the subtle energy and ask for anything that you have desired from your life and get it fulfilled by regular practice of meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool to create whatever we actually want to create out of our true self, the way to create and strengthen our inner self. Thank you so much. This is Dr. Ravinder from Tattva Bliss. Thank you, friends.